So let's see what inside here. Today's DJI home. Oh my god. Is it just me? So I'll show you a small thing first. I got the DJI Mic Mini. Let's unbox this first. I'm not gonna use any scissors or something sharp things. Cause this one is like big money. I have big money. I wasted a big money on this thing, so I don't want to damage with any sharp things. So this is my dessert mic. Let's see how it is looks. So inside look like this. Let's unbox. Okay, put this side. What is that? I don't need this, bro. Look at this. Ta-da! DJI. I love DJI. So what inside here? They got the nice cute bag. DJI bag. So what inside here is like one charger, the microphone, I don't know what is this, filter or something. So this might be a charging port. And this one is the mic. And what is that? Oh, do not eat. Okay. It's like some kind of candy or something. Wow, look at this. And this must be cool here, I think. I'll do this later. So, I'm gonna show you other things. So, the biggest thing I got is if dan, dan, DJI Osmo 360. Wow. So it is like so that's not a single camera, it's like a combo. Adventure combo, it says. You got the battery case, 2 batteries, invisible stick. Oh, you said 3 batteries. Oh, that's good. Okay. Like I said, I'm not gonna use any sharp things. So I might open this with my fingers, nails. That'll be better. Okay, scrapping my $500 thing. How to open this, bro? From here? Oh, from here, okay. We got some tape over here. Come on. Here's a pull. Let's pull it. What happened? Nothing. Anyway, I have to take this tape up. Come on, man. I love this company, bro. Since I was a child, I heard about these companies. It make good cameras like on our DJI drones. I like the quality of these cameras. So let's review. Come on out, bro. So one is like accessories. This must be the important things. And this one is the stick. Nice. Let's see the accessories first. For that, as like batteries. Okay. Taking everything out first. It's like a sticker or some. I don't need that. So what is this? Oh, it's for my camera's lens cover. This must be a battery case. What the heck is this? Oh, this one is for the... Oh yeah, this one is for a stick. And this one is for to clean the lens. I don't want this, bro. Believe it. So... This is the main character. 3 batteries. Oh my god. Look at the batteries. It's like a power bank. It's still charging. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. So, last but not least, this is our main character. Let's see. Tan-tan-tan. Tan-tan-tan. Come on, bro. Nice. Wow. Look at this. So here is the point to charge. This must be a battery. Come on, bro, how to pull this? Oh, like this. So it doesn't have a battery, so I had to put one battery in here. Let's pull one battery. And let's try. Come on, 1, 2, 3. It's like a screenshot. Wow, so smooth. Then I'm gonna use English and download. So I have to download these on my phone, so I'm gonna do it later. So look at these guys. Wow. Like I said, this is the camera protector. Okay, so camera is protected. So what was here like? This for the stick. I know. Yeah, I know it. So you have to do this like... Get this thing out. And put that thing in. Like this, yeah. Nice. So it is quick release type. Oh no, this one is for this. Oh, Okay. So quick release is over here. I didn't know that. Okay. Okay. So this was the end of the day, guys. So bye bye.